What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some bacon-wrapped bratwurst. Ooh, we're going to be high on the hog tonight, but we got to get it started to get it right. So let's do it. That's right, baby. Bacon-wrapped bratwurst. Now, I've already got some of these going in this pan, but I'm going to show you how to wrap one up here. Because I've only got so much space in my pan, so you wrap some, you make some, you wrap some, you make some. That's the key, baby. Always be moving when you're cooking. That way you're done when you're done. So, right now, we are going to take one of these bratwursts, and I'm just kind of going to show you how this works. Because like I say, most of them are already ready to go. So, we've got a bratwurst here. What's that remind you of? A big hot dog, man. Shit, where's your filthy mind at? Get out of the gutter and take a bath, boy. So, take this bacon here, and what you want to do is just kind of wrap it around there, overlap it. You may have to use more than one piece depending on how big your brat is, boy. Because we kind of going hog wild tonight. So, on some of them I use two. This one I'm going to use just this one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, you can use toothpicks to hold the bacon in place. I'm not going to do that right now because I think this bacon is greasy enough that it's going to hold on its own. So, we've got the skillet on high heat, and we are going to use this lid to help the bratwurst sweat, baby. And that's because the bacon on the outside is going to cook a lot faster than that old bratwurst inside. Now, normally I would do this on the grill, but it's raining today. Like old Rihanna said, it's raining, raining, ooh, it's raining, raining. Good song. And Rihanna, if you're watching, hi, baby, how you doing? Good to see you. So, we've got some of these in here now. We've got some of these that are going in there. We will go ahead and lay some more in the pan, right beside the ones that we got going. Now, like I said, we're going to use that lid to help them bratwurst sweat, and we're going to check and flip quite often because we don't want that bacon burn on there. So we'll get these laid in there like that, and then what we're going to do is just kind of wait and flip about every 5 minutes, and I think all told, maybe about 20 minutes, these should be done. And we'll be ready to go ahead and top them, baby. And we'll be going hog wild tonight. Ooh, god damn. So, let's go get another brew because I'm fresh out. And we'll be back to check on these dogs and we'll be ready to assemble. Come on now. Oh, yes, baby. Our bacon wrapped bratwurst are done. And you know what I did? I want to show you what I did because this is a pro tip from a non-pro here. So, we got these bratwursts and I wrapped some in bacon. I left one unwrapped, and that is so I could tell if the bratwurst was done. Remember how I was talking about how the bratwurst is thicker than the bacon's going to cook quicker, and it's going to be a mathematical equation, or more like a scientific experiment. And remember back in science class when they gave you the dependent variable, the one thing that you could always check to make sure? Well, that today was this little guy right here. See how it's got chunks out of it? I kept that thing unwrapped, and I cut it every now and again and checked it to make sure that everything was getting done, because the last thing you want is a raw bratwurst. So, now that these are done, we can grab a bun and begin to assemble. We've got the bun. Go ahead and spread your bun, and this thing's going to be pretty hefty, baby. It may not fit in your bun perfectly, but you know what? We're going to make it fit. So, take your bratwurst and put it right down in there. Next thing that we're going to do, we're going to get some of our Frank's quality sauerkraut. Good stuff. Going to give it a good flavor. You can't go wrong with sausage and sauerkraut. So, we'll take a little bit of that, and we will put it right on top of there, just like so. Whew, looks good, doesn't it? Next thing we'll do is take some brown spicy mustard. Now, you can use regular mustard if you want to, but to me, I want a little kick with mine, so I'm going to put a little brown spice to make it nice. Make sure you shake it up and spread some of that right on the top. And there it is, baby. A beautiful bacon-wrapped bratwurst with sauerkraut and spicy mustard. Now, let's take a drink and stand back and marvel at this beautiful, beautiful thing. Alright, baby, the time has come. The bacon wrapped bratwurst is done. And I'm having the first bite for me. Ooh, it's so big it's damn near falling out of the bun. Ooh. That's a lot to chew on. But my God, is it good. That is just fabulous. Fabulous. Man. One more minute. Need to wash it down. Damn, that's good. Have I outdone myself? Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.